Ladies, menopause will affect every organ in your body, which is why as we get older, there's so many little things that seem to creep up out of nowhere. And unfortunately, because there's a ton of controversy on hormone replacement therapy, many women are afraid to take it, and many doctors are also afraid to prescribe it. And if they do, they wait until you're in full-blown menopause and only prescribe it for maybe 10 years and in the smallest amount possible. So they're missing something. And if you are perhaps over 60 and have never been on HRT, you may find it difficult to find a doctor who's comfortable starting you on HRT in these later years, and they're going to be benefit from the late start. So it's confusing, it's frustrating. Knowing what is best for ourselves and what to ask for is hard, no question. So I've made a video to help you navigate the slippery terrain, and I'm hoping pulling back the curtain on hormone replacement, that's the title of the video, will help many women return to the vibrant lives they once had and dispel a lot of the controversy surrounding HRT. So if you're interested, go to my bio. You'll find a link there to sign up for the movie. And I'm always interested in knowing your own personal experience with HRT and also your personal experiences with healthcare providers.